Hello, beautiful soul. This is going to be a little different because I don't know. I just got this fairy wand, and I know that my messages are going to get more psychic and more woo woo now, and even more scary accurate than before. So, if you are coming across this video or you clicked on this, then it is for a reason. Okay. Stick around for a few minutes and you would feel it that this message is for you. If it is not, you can move ahead. Okay. No force, no pressure. I'm getting this strong sensation of someone writing your name in their diary. I know it's how it feels, but I'm getting this sensation of someone writing your name in their phone notes app, someone writing your name in their diary as a way of manifesting you. So, someone is manifesting you at this time. And I'm getting the sensation of two worlds colliding. So, there is this one person that you don't want, and there is this one person that you do want, right? Because see, there are like, this is why I'm getting two energies over here, and you've been getting that, you've been thinking of that. The another person that you don't want is a person from your past, and another person that you do want is either someone you have never met yet or is someone that you actually desire. Okay, because I'm getting very future energy from this person, the second person, and very healthy energy. And from this past person, I'm getting kind of like toxic energy. But I will give you a message for both of them because you should know both of that. Especially for the past person, I feel like you've been getting these random thoughts about this person. I think maybe this person showed up in your dreams and you woke up and you were like, why was this person in my dream? I don't like this person. Um, but this person has been showing up on your Facebook page, on your Instagram page, just like you come across that picture. And it's so weird that you're like, why is this person? Either you have blocked this person or maybe you moved on or got over this person and you're like, nope. So that person is also writing your name in their diary or in their phone notes app and actively trying to manifest you, bring you back in their life, which is I not going to happen. I know, but like they're trying to manifest you. So, and I think they did manifest you first. Before in the past they did manifest you. Maybe they literally told you that I manifested you, or they told you something like I always wanted a person like you and all of that. But whatever, I feel like that didn't work for some reason. But this future person, ooh, you're meant to know both of this. That's why I'm getting both. Otherwise, I get psychic senses, but I never give messages because give those messages because you're not meant to know. Yeah, you are meant to know both of these things. Because I feel like maybe in the last, whatever this was, with the past person, you blamed yourself a little bit. No, you are no one to blame. You did everything right. Honestly, you did everything right. You opened up, you were open to receiving, you also were vulnerable, you didn't protect yourself too much. You were totally, I'm getting the feeling of love. So, definitely, this was something romantic because this was a deep connection, but it didn't work out, whatever. But this future person, they, you are their type, like to the T. You are their type. I'm not just saying that because they are writing they are writing down your qualities, the exact physical appearance that you have, the exact type of eyes you have, the shape of your lips, the way you act, the way you walk, your personality, everything. You are exactly their type. You're exactly their type. And I will tell you the sign. I know you're experiencing that sign. Okay, so stick around. I'll tell you the sign in a minute. But first, like, I'm getting this strong surge of energy from this person. And see, I have this fairy wand with me. So there is something about something like a fairy tale, something woo woo. I feel like you have been trying some woo woo thing recently, like something that is like whoa, something like that. For example, what I do is I spray my perfume on the back of my knees. I know, so weird, but whenever I spray it on the back of my knees and I go out, I always get a really beautiful opportunity. Either I meet someone, or either I come home and I come home with a lot of payment notifications on my phone, or I get money. something, love, money, something happens. So that's so woo woo, and I cannot explain it why it works, but it works, right? You can try it too if you want to. So there is something like that you do. And if you're feeling comfortable to share, if you want to help other people as well, you can comment down below, because pretty sure it's going to help other people as well. You see, I shared my secret with you, right? I haven't told anyone, not even my friends. What? But yeah, I want everyone to be happy, so it's okay. What I'm getting from this person is they have written down their qualities, your qualities, in a diary or in a phone notes app. When you'll meet this person will tell you that I actually wrote down everything that I wanted in a person romantically, and you're exactly like that. That's manifestation. Really, that's manifestation. That's basically like aligning. It's stronger than calling in a person. I hate when people say, "Oh, call in a person." It's not like that. You cannot call in a person. You cannot play with their play with destiny or fate or whatever. But what you can do is you can align yourself with the person. It's just simply write down the qualities that you want, and honestly, you should do it too, because that will make this fast. So write down the qualities that you want in a person, and then just let it go. Like whatever, just live your life, do the normal things that you do, and eventually you will meet that person because you are aligned, because you wrote it down. I'm hearing, oh, I manifested obviously because I wrote it down. I wrote it down. I'm hearing that a lot. So this person manifests by writing, by scripting, or something. I'm getting a lot of like King of Swords, Queen of Swords type of energy from the tarot. So it's very clear minded. They are not confused at all. They know what they want. And if you are confused, which I'm sensing a little bit you are, then you should also write it down. Write down all the qualities that you want. Instead of thinking, oh, but this type of person never exists, they do. Trust me, they do. And whoever this person is, they are writing this with disbelief. They are writing this whole with hope, this whole list with hope, with romanticism, and with disbelief, because they are like, I don't think this type of person exists. But you do exist. You do exist. Oh, the sun came out. Hmm. This is very, I'm so sure this is not platonic at all. This is romantic. This is kind of fairy tale. This is like, I want to build my home with this person. I want to have kids with this person. I want to spend my entire life with this person. Like, I want to talk to this person about my day every day. And I want to be with this person even when I'm 80. That's so clear. That's so clear. And I don't know why I'm like so kind of blushy as well, because I'm feeling that energy for you. It's like this person is going to make you blush a lot in a good way. And it's like you would look at this person and you'd be like, I can't believe that this is my person. And even this person is going to be look at you and definitely feel like, I can't believe I actually found this person, because I think you do have a little bit of faith. This person does not have that much faith at all, but is writing down anyways, and is like, they're going through life in a way, is like they are so done with everything. They are so done with dating. They are so done with flirty friendships. I'm hearing friends with benefits. I'm hearing they're so done with everything. They are like, I want my person, and that's it. I just want my person, and I don't want to go through every single person to find my person. I want my person, and that's it. So it's like, it's a lot of clarity. It's a lot of clarity. They are writing this with a lot of clarity and with a lot of hope. And yeah, but I feel like there is also kind of release over here. They are not very attached with it. They are either they're working on their career or whatever, or they have some sort of passionate side project going on, because they are very engrossed. I'm sensing their energy, and they're very engrossed in that project. When you'll meet this person, you will know. They will tell you that, yeah, for a few months I've been working on this, and then you'll know. You'll be like, what? And then they will also tell you after some time, because when you meet someone and you tell them I manifested you, that's weird. So after a few weeks, they will open up and tell you that I actually wrote down everything about you in a list, and I was hoping that I would meet a person like you, and I met exactly you. That's why I'm sensing a lot of excitement and a lot of safety as well. There is no doubts, no toxicity here. It's just like when you are, how do I say this? When you meet someone who wants you, who wants you and exactly you, everything that you are, even the things that you don't like about yourself, but this person likes that about you. This person, when someone manifests you, it's so powerful because they want you and they want you exactly. Exactly. And how do I do this? Because the vision I'm getting is a bit, okay, I'll try to explain this. So basically, when you will get intimate, when you will get more close to each other, physically, spiritually, mentally, and you would be like so open with this person, and you would feel a little bit like insecure because you have to reveal all those parts of you that you don't like about yourself. But this person would be like, I actually love this. I actually love this. And you would be in total shock, like, oh, my whole life I have believed that no one would be able to accept me like this, but you do. This is not just acceptance, this is celebration. I'm seeing Four of Wands in my mind from the tarot. So this is celebration. It's like they celebrate who you are because they asked for you. Are you getting my point here? They literally asked from you. You're going to make them so nervous, I know that. And when you'll meet them, they will drop something at your feet, they would start stuttering, they would get nervous, so you would just know that this is that person. I'm giving you a lot of signs, aren't I? This is why I love psychic messages. They are like I get such clear information from your guides. um and the reason why you're coming across this message is because you're ready. Because this person has been manifesting you for a while now. It has been a while since they have written down your name, written down your qualities. But like you're getting this right now. Whenever you find this, is the time when you're ready. Is the time when you're like, wow, wow. And also, like, whether you believe it or not, but you do love yourself. You do accept yourself in a lot of ways. You have started giving yourself the freedom to make mistakes. You're even open to a lot of things. Before, you used to be so rigid that I just want a relationship, I want a relationship, I'm not going to be just friends with a guy, I'm not just going to be just friends with a girl, whoever that person is. But right now you're like very open. That's what I'm sensing, that you're very open right now. You're open to whatever life decides to give you. You're open to whatever phase you're in because you know that life is like a wheel and wheels turn. None of the phases that you're in will ever last long. Okay, so single phase, it's not going to last. Enjoy it while it lasts because it's not going to last very long. And then meeting a new person but feeling kind of like, I don't know if this person likes me. That phase is not going to last that long. Then you would be sure that, wow, we actually like each other. And then the commitment phase, and then the flirty phase, and first the flirty phase, and then the commitment phase, and all of that. So I'm getting a message from your angels and your guides that, especially from your angels, your angels are so happy right now. Like, I'm feeling that happiness right now. I don't know if you're feeling this joy, but I'm feeling this so much joy. It's like an ocean full of joy right now. And your angels want you to know that, yep, it's happening. That, yep, it's happening. Be ready. Enjoy this phase. Whatever phase you're in right now, whether you like it or not, but enjoy this phase because wheels are going to turn very soon. Wheels are going to turn very, very soon. I love you guys so much. I'm sending you my good healing energy. If you resonated with anything I said, please do like, subscribe, or comment down below. Let me know that you resonated with this message. I'm so excited. Okay, so for some reason, I want to show you these flowers. Oh, I want to show you this. So pretty. Maybe you're going to receive flowers, something about flowers. Okay, I'll let you go. I know you're busy, but I'm sending you so much love, so much good energy, a giant hug, and a forehead kiss because you know you deserve this. And now, what I'm going to do is sprinkle some fairy dust over you. Okay, I will see you in my next message very, very soon.